Hi guys, so today we're unboxing the GoPro Hero 13 Creator Edition, specifically made for YouTubers, and this is the packaging. This is a photo of the GoPro, and at the back you can see a little bit of the contents drawn and written in case you don't know. So we have the folding fingers, light mode, medium mode, magnetic latch, the battery, tripod, and a couple of other things. So let's unbox it and see the contents of the Hero 13 Creator Edition. That's the box, and this is the packaging it comes in. It's written GoPro, you can see. Really nice. So let's open it and see. So we have this, which are basically instructions probably. And instructions. Anyway, so let us go to the real thing. Which one are we starting with? We have this. Has a button and all that. Let's put it here. And the tripod goes next. Okay, there's another compartment down here, so I can just maybe separate them for a minute. Yeah, now we have this, which is the lights. I don't know if pointing to the camera is, but you can see that it has the lights and it gets brighter and brighter. Yeah. Anyway, that aside, this is the actual thing. Gotta try to be careful with it. And at the back it's written your camera must be updated before you can use it. And we have a little safety sticker on here and another one over there. Basically this is the camera. I'm not even gonna put this back. This is the camera, you can see it. It's really small, really nice. Yeah. Then next we have the tripod, the holder, whatever you wanna call it. It has this USB port, and we have this. You open this up. Let me move this for a little bit, and you have this. So when you're recording yourself, maybe you can set this up, and it has a couple of more things, which is Bluetooth, battery, and putting it on. It comes with a little bit of charge. Oh, when you're recording, this is where you press, because we have this, I guess. Yeah. And Bluetooth, probably for connecting to your phone. And it's really small, and it has this. Maybe for, let me show you. You move this, if you can do this to your arm, and there. Yeah. So this is basically the tripod. And what else do we have here? This is the battery. It's really, really small. And it's branded GoPro. So yeah, we have this. And okay, we are done with the first compartment, which was up. Now we are going to the second one, which looks a little bit technical. Let me see what we have. Okay, so basically it's a couple of screws, maybe to, how do I show you guys this? Let me see. We have this and a couple more and a bigger one. This is bigger. Let me just put this back here for a second. We have this USB cable. It's a type C. Is it a type C? Yeah, it's a type C USB cable, and it's also branded. I don't know if you can see it. It's also branded GoPro down there, which is really nice. Yeah, we have the cable. And let me see what else I'm getting out. We have this. Okay, I'm gonna figure out exactly what these are, because right now I have no idea. And this is for sound. This one I'm pretty sure you latch it on the camera somewhere. Have here, have this. I think these are just for assembling the camera. And I got a couple of accessories with the GoPro. They're not a lot, it's a little bit. It's basically just two things. So I'm gonna show you those real quick. This is for your chest. Let me see how I can show this to you. This is for your chest. This is how you're wearing it. Yeah, this is your shoulders, and over here you put the camera here, and you just walk around, no hands, with your camera on your chest, recording and all that. And I also have this. This is for your head, so it's supposed to be held like this. You put on your head, put your camera, walk around, you're good to go. And basically those are the contents of the GoPro 13 Hero Edition, the newest, latest model of the GoPro 13.